This is for those that keep telling me that I need to get back to work on the silver streak. I'm overwhelmed. I'm doing this solo. I don't have help. I spent the rest of my money on the portable AC. I was planning on building my money back up, and then this happened. Not good. I can't even close my freaking door because it just fell. Nobody's here to help me right now. See that? It should be up above this level here, and it's below this level here. The hinges are about to give on this side too. I found a set of hinges, but they're $500 for a freaking pair of hinges. Just for the hinges, $500. I think that's insane. These are aluminum hinges, so therefore they're not the strongest. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. Here's my car. Wonder what's in the trunk of my car. Let's open it and see. Yeah, you think I'm going to give you the code? Hang on. What's this? What is this? This is what's in the trunk of my car. Wow. No, I did not spend $475. Fortunately, he gave me a decent price break, which I'm really grateful for. And what is it? Oh, goodness. My door latches. Hinges. Hinges. I don't know why I keep saying latches. My door hinges. Awesome. Oh. So I'll show you what is in the bag. Okay, so inside the bag, new hinge installation kit. Actually, it says new hinge installation and kit. And got 2 hinges, of course. You can see these are specialized just to fit these type of doors because it's a double door system. Okay, 2 packages of the proper specialized type of rivets and a Boeing drill. This is actually used by Boeing Airlines, or by the Boeing airplane people, and a little punch bit that he made from that as well. Specialized tape, manufactured just for him. He actually contracted Eternabond to make this special tape to put under. It says no tape here. This is the side facing out. The tape will go underneath that section when it's adhered to the RV. This way, metal on metal, slides. Won't slide. Pretty cool. So hopefully soon this will get done. We've been dealing with some rains, and my guy doesn't want to work on the RV. Of course, the door has to come off. So if it rains, that's an issue. But oh, I can't wait. So yes, that is my update on the Silver Streak and what's going on with it now. So after these get installed, then my door will be workable again, and then I can get the roof AC installed and get back to work. I don't have that much more to do, but I just can't do anything since I can't go in and out through the door right now. So that's the update of what's happening now, and I will catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Live the life you love. Bye.